Have you ever wondered why the date of Easter keeps changing? Sometimes we celebrate Easter in March and sometimes in April. Well, I'm here to tell you it's all connected to the cycles of nature. Yes, that's right. Sometimes we celebrate Easter in March, sometimes in April. It's all tied to the spring equinox. So you get the spring equinox. Find the first full moon after that, find the first Sunday after the full moon, and voila, that's when the date we celebrate Easter. So, know it or not, so many of things that we do are tied to the laws of nature and the cycles of nature. So, happy Easter.